The art of the toss-up. Dive into its meaning. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're delving deep into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard but are unsure about. Toss-up. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how to use it effectively. The term toss literally refers to the action of throwing something lightly or casually. Imagine tossing a coin into the air or tossing a salad. The word up in this context implies a direction, which is upwards. So, literally, toss up can refer to throwing something in the air. However, English, as we know, is full of idioms and figurative expressions. In a figurative sense, toss-up is often used to describe a situation where the outcome is uncertain and could go either way. Think of it like flipping a coin. It could land on heads or tails, and the result is unpredictable. For instance, if someone says, "It's a toss-up between the two options," they mean that both options seem equally good, or that it's hard to decide between them. Understanding is best reinforced with examples, so here are a few. 1. Choosing between the chocolate and vanilla ice cream is a toss-up for me, meaning it's hard to decide because both are equally appealing. 2. It's a toss-up whether it will rain tomorrow. The weather has been so unpredictable, highlighting the uncertainty about the event. 3. Who will win the match? It's a toss-up, indicating that the outcome of the match is unpredictable. It's believed that the phrase originated from the action of tossing a coin to make a decision. When you can't decide between two options, you might flip a coin and say, heads, for one option and tails, for the other. The outcome, just like the unpredictable nature of the toss, is uncertain. Hence, the term, toss-up. And that's a wrap on the phrase, toss-up. Language is filled with such vivid and evocative expressions, and by understanding them, we can not only enrich our vocabulary but also communicate more effectively. We hope this deep dive into toss-up has been enlightening for you. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoy your language journey.